What are we doing today? We're making a battery charger system. What's wrong with tractors? The batteries are always dead. Always. So I put together this wagon, cannibalized a Honda engine that had some weird pump on it. So I bought it at a garage sale for 20 bucks. 20 bucks? Something like that. Then I had a GM alternator. So I just made a bracket for it. And a test in it. Let's see. We just charged that dead battery. Brought it back. It's got 12 volts. And if I pull it down, it's got some power. It's a big ass battery. It's a deep cycle. Alright, I'm gonna start it up. Show you how it works. Still got a drill. Got it clamped down with a C-clamp. Just to test it, I just put it together. So let's try it. I still gotta bolt it down, but this is for tractors out in the field. The problem is some of these tractors are stuck like Chuck. So put together this wagon so I could go charge batteries without having to pull them, because those batteries are big. All right, show you what I was doing today.